Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Sit down. Today, our topic is Khelo India Fitness Assessment, Fit India. Khelo India scheme launched in October 2017 has created awareness for sports as an integral part of wellness throughout the country. The Khelo India program is a national Yojana scheme for the development of sports in India. It was launched in the year 2018 by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. The main purpose of Khelo India program, one of the key objects of the scheme, is to identify talented athletes from across the country and nurture the talent through guidance and developed infrastructural facilities. The motto of Khelo India is promote fitness across schools, women and grassroots levels. About Khelo India, National Program for Development of Sports. The importance of sports and fitness is one's life is invaluable. Playing sports inculcates team spirit and develops strategic things, analytical thinking, leadership skills, goal setting and risk taking. A fit and healthy individual leads to an equally healthy society and strong nation. Sport is an extremely important component for the overall development of our nation. The Khelo India program has been introduced to revive the sport culture in the India at the grassroots level by building a strong framework for all sports played in our country and establish India as a great sporting nation. The brand ambassador of Khelo India Youth Game is PM Narendra Modi. Today, we are going to demonstrate Khelo India Fitness Assessment in Schools, battery of tests, fundamental movement skills. On your marks. The first test, shuttle run. 8 into 6 meters. Set. It measures speed and agility. Fast. Quick. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second test, plate tapping test. Start. What does it measure? It measures speed and coordination of limb movement. Change your hand. 25 times. Flamingo balance test. Start. Change your leg. Start. It measures ability in balance successfully on a single leg. The single leg balance test assesses the strength of the leg pelvic and trunk muscles as well as static balance. Stop. Okay, now sit and reach test. Start. It common measures of flexibility and specifically measures to flexibility of a lower back and hamstring muscles. This test is important as because tightness in this area is implicated in lumbar lordosis, forward pelvic tilt and lower back pain. Now, push-ups for boys. Start. It measures upper body strength, endurance and trunk stability. Suggestion: participants should be encouraged to emphasis to keep back straight. Now, modified push-ups for girls. Position. Good. Start. Fast. Partial curl up. It measures abdominal muscular strength and endurance of the abdominals and hip flexors. Important in back support and core stability. Suggestion: participants should be encouraged to keep normal breathing rate. Results are usually better if the participant can maintain pace during the activity. Now, standing vertical jump, sergeant jump. It measures the leg muscle power. Good. Good. Students, keep these fundamental movement skills regular in practice. Ramani Miss, thanks for your cooperation. Attention! Stand please. Attention! Class, on the spot, break up. Stay strong, stay home, stay safe. Thank you one and all.